everybody, today we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and I just want to show you guys the boats that I made. So, if you guys do want a tutorial on how I made them, comment which one you want to see, and I will make it for you. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's just launch this. Alright, we are in. Alright, so this is the cruiser. I made it all myself. Now this is kind of like if you're like good at the game, but I want to get better. This is a good boat for you to get a lot of treasure. Like I said, this is going to be a short video because, well, I only have 2 boats. So yeah, let me show you the upper view. Alright, this is the upper view. So yeah, pretty nice. This is how big the ship is. Pretty good. So, this one's a more harder one to make because it is bigger. And oh, yeah, it gets through some stuff. And yeah, it has this, which oh wait. What did I do? No, I didn't mean to do that. Ah! No, 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 no! Forget that ever happened. Okay. This is my next boat. Let me just start it. And we're off. This is the Beast. I call it the Beast. I don't know why. This is more of an easy one to make. So yeah, this one would be more for starters, more than like well, it could be for anyone who has this much blocks, which is kind of hard to obtain, but it's alright. Actually got to a few levels there. So, alright. I'm gonna try to be sneaky. Don't want to mess this up. Okay. Let me just oh my gosh. We are definitely good for right now. Don't want to die. There's nothing I can use. Okay, we're safe. Ah. There we go. I don't want to be here. No, no, I fell. No, 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 no. Okay, well, that's it. If you want to see how to make either one, comment below which one you want to see. And hopefully it's not that laggy for you, so I guess bye.